Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're decorating a spread in my Wellness Classic Size Happy Planner for April 22nd through the 28th. I'm going to be using 𝗟𝗡𝗞. These are new florals that we'll be releasing in my shop Friday, probably the day this video goes up, April 26th. So also have the matching sticker kit, and these will all also be available. All new designs will be available in printables, and all stickers are 50% off in my shop. So there's no code needed, just automatic 50% off. Okay, let's get started. Now, I'm not quite sure what I want to do here. I think I'm going to just do my normal top and bottom corners. So let's go here. Try not to cover up that. I am using white paper stickers. I think I really like my white paper stickers now, just because the colors really pop and stand out on them a lot more than the clear sticker paper. So I'm really loving the white paper right now. So let's see. All right, I got this cut at an angle, so I'm going to kind of cut that angle off so it doesn't look so funky when I lay it down. Now this is going to cover up Monday's date, but I'm okay with that. I will know what Monday's date is. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the bottom down here, just so we're kind of looking similar. So we use that, and then I'm going to cut the long way so that I can put the rest of this sticker down beside it. And we'll cut this off. I probably won't use this at all. Okay. I kind of cut that funky, but it's okay. So now we'll put this down at the bottom. I did cut it a little bit funky, so I'm going to cut that little bit off, just so my pages don't stick together. All right, so now we got top and bottom corners done. I do have two washi tapes picked out. I kind of want to see if I can't incorporate this really pretty pink plaid looking washi. So I'm going to try. I'm going to cut it off right here because there's like a line in it that I don't like. So we're going to try to kind of go all the way across this spread. So let's see. Whoops. I wonder if I could do, I'm just going to do the bottom under the line there. So we'll cut the edges off first, then we'll cut it the long way and use the rest of the piece to go across the other side. So we're not wasting anything. Okay. Now let's go across down here, and we'll stop where the florals are. Oops, I gotta come down a little bit. Uh-oh, I got it all twisted. I think it'll still be enough. It's okay. So we'll go right below there, and then we'll cut it. Let's use my X-Acto and cut it at an angle. And then we'll cut the edge off. We'll cut this little piece off. Little overhang. Cut here. Okay. Pretty, pretty. And then I definitely want to use this in between some of my boxes, kind of like I did for last week. But let's go ahead and put a couple boxes down. Let's just see what we can do here. No, I'm definitely not going to white out all of these lines like I normally would, just because that's just a lot. So we're going to go and make a little cluster here. Okay, we got that cluster there. And then I think we're going to do the opposite cluster on this side. So we're going to take the blue and come up at the top here. You know what? I don't want to use, it's okay. I was going to say I don't want to use all the blue because I wanted to use this blue washi. We'll try to make it work. We'll try to figure it out. All right, so we have that. And then let's take these same boxes and come down here. And let's do one like right here. And do another one. This is hard to do left-handed. I am not left-handed. That one looks okay though. We'll do another one here. Come on. Okay. All right, now let's fill in with some florals and then we'll do the washi tape, the blue washi. So I'm gonna use mini florals. So we'll use this one and we're gonna just kind of cut it in half. Let's see. Yep, we're gonna cut it in half the long way. We're gonna lay this down on top of the blue box. And then I think I'm gonna take this leftover piece. I don't write a whole lot in this planner. So I don't need a ton of room in it. Now let's do the same thing over here with a different floral. Let's cut this one down the middle. Let's put this on top. Put this on the bottom. I could have probably used a small sticker sheet and the florals would have been larger, but it's okay. All right, so we have that. Trying to see what else I can do here. I can definitely take some florals and just kind of put them inside of the boxes. So let's just do that like randomly. Let's just test it and see how it works. So let's put some up here. Let's see, let's put some, I don't really want to do that. So let's try to put some there. And then we're just going to scatter some flowers. We'll take this one. And I think we're just going to lay this one this way and not worry about whiting out, or not whiting out, cutting. Or should I? I'm going to cut. I think if I start staying in the boxes, like with here, I stayed in the boxes, I need to stick with that. So let's just cut off the excess and hope that I don't have to grab my undo to get these stickers off. Perfect so far. Yay. Okay. This one should come off. Yep. Okay, good. All right, perfect. So we have just some scattered florals now. Whoops, I got pieces stuck to my finger. Now, I think I want to do a quote down here. And maybe a quote up here. I don't really use the intention spot for much at all. So I think I want to use, actually, I want to use here. I think I've used this sticker before in one of my spreads previously, but I'm going to use it again. So, go the extra mile, it's never crowded. And then I want to use Intention is Everything. Do I? Or do I want to do Each Day is a Fresh Start? She Designed a Life She Loved. Let's use this one. I don't think I've used this one yet. Again, just using that grid to kind of help me line it up. It's really pretty, y'all. I do feel like I need a little bit more something here floral wise. So I think I'm going to take this long strip. I'm going to cut the bottom off of it. Uh-oh, I got a sticker piece stuck to the back. Okay, got it. I think I'm just going to go along the bottom here. Okay, that makes me feel a little better. Still thinking. Let's try to just fill in with some of this washi and see what happens. So now, I think I'm going to do the washi there and here. Let's try it. I don't know, this color may not work. This is one of the new washis that are linked down in my description that I just recently got from Amazon. They are little skinny washis. So they're linked down in the description. So this looks more like a lavender color, which I'm very thankful for because that way I don't have two blues. This has more of a bluish lavender tint to it. So I'm happy with that. Because I was worried about the blue and the blue with the blue boxes. So we're just going to go to the edge of this box and then continue on the other side of it. And we're going to cut this kind of straight right here. The only thing I don't like about the wellness layout is the curves. All right, so now I almost feel like I want to find some pink washi. It's just some plain pink washi. So let me see. Let's see here. Let's try this one. And let's just fill in these. Let's see what happens. We can always take it up if we don't like it. Oops, I ripped my page. Okay, that's cute. And that kind of just like takes away from that bold blue box. Now let's try some here. Come on, Casey. It's hard to line up this little skinny washi. Okay, I like it. I think that's really cute. Alright, so I think I'm done with this spread. Let's put it back in my planner, see what it looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram as well. I do try sometimes to post over there. Not as good at it as I used to be, but, you know. Alright, let's see. There it is. This is what it looks like in my planner. So I got one more video to film for you, and I'll see you over there. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love you guys. Bye.